Hi guys and welcome back. As you can see, I'm not looking the best right now. This bachelor trip of my friends is crazy, but I saw something in the charts where I thought I have to make an update and tell you exactly what is going on here. So if you want to know what I'm looking at and where we can potentially make a little bit of money between today and tomorrow, then stick around here, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, you like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these really important videos. And now let me show you here what I found today. So first of all, when we're looking at the weekly chart, absolutely looking here amazing. If we can close this week's candle as it started out here, we saw the weekly candle opening here at $42,200-ish. We are now $700 higher, hence the continuation that I was talking about. Remember when I showed you the last time the weekly chart, I told you if we can get the last week's candle, something like this, then and the next candle is going to the upside, we will see continuation, and that will most likely result in a move here to the upside back to around $48,000-$49,000 to fill this big wick that we see here on the yearly high at $49,016. So here on the daily chart, we still have our inverse head and shoulders pattern. It has still not played out. The price level to look at for a potential break and confirmation of this inverse head and shoulders is $43,865. So that is for me the key level that bulls have to overcome so that we can see here a nice upswing to higher price levels. At the same time, we would, of course, then also break here these upward sloping resistance line that is keeping us down here, also from moving potentially higher. One thing that is, how to say that? So not curious, interesting, something really, really interesting here is that we are respecting that range that I was talking about since we minted $1 billion worth of Tether here, and ranging between $4.18 and $41,800 and $43,600. Once we are breaking the range, either to the downside or to the upside, we will see a really, really big move and also a really quick move. So I believe that, again, we're going to see a move here to the upside because we go for such a long time here already sideways in that in a more narrow range, you can say, between 42,700 and 43,400. We're dropping from time to time out of it, but more or less that is the more narrow range that we are respecting for now. When I go to this 4-hourly chart, remember guys, when I said I would open a new long either when we come back here to the bottom of that resistance area or when we are breaking above it. So we came back today to the bottom of it. Yeah, for me it's today. I was asleep, so I could not take the trade, but I hope some of you guys did. So if you would have taken it, you would be up now 1.5%-ish. So let's say you use 20x leverage, you would be up 30% right now on that trade. If you're in that trade, again, $43,500 is the level to watch here. If we are breaking it, we'll definitely move in direction of $44,400. If we get rejected, you should potentially take then your profits. Your stop loss should be anyway already at break even, so the trade should be absolutely risk-free for you. Here on this 1-hourly chart, I see that the stochastic RSI is here already topping out, so we could see another small retracement before we try to go higher again. So, but that could be a retracement again back here to like $42,700. And once we're gaining momentum again from there and the stochastic comes down to the bottom, I believe that will give us enough fuel to push here then to the upside and leave that range. So, but this can technically still take like 6 to 7 hours in my opinion. Yeah, maybe even 8 hours, but we have time, so we have nothing else but a lot of time right now. And yeah, I will this time place a limit order at these price levels just to make sure if we come back down here that this time I will actually catch it and yeah, right then this trade to the upside with you guys together. Guys, don't forget, if you want to trade anywhere, do it on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 if you sign up there, and also on BitGet plus a debit card, but only if you use my specific links. You can also still copy trade me, drunk or not. But yeah, I'm trading only sober, so no worries, you know. So if you copy trade me, either on CoinW or on FAIRDESK, both are without KYC, and you don't need a VPN. The only difference is on FAIRDESK, you get the highest bonus in the industry. $120,000 is the potential bonus that you get. Something else that I'm looking at here on the liquidation chart is this downward sloping resistance line that you see here on the 4-hourly chart right now. Once we are breaking above that chart with at least a 1-hourly close, that would be also a more risky, but also, yeah, no, but it would be another entry that you can potentially take, you know. So, but I want to see at least a 1-hourly close above that downward sloping trend line here at $43,100 approximately. So if we get a 1-hourly close, that could be another long entry, but as I just said, this one is a little bit more risky than the other ones. When it comes to liquidation levels, here you see now what I was talking about the other day. The density here to the upside is more and more increasing with over-leveraged shorts again. Of course, we have also the same happening here with longs below us, below the price action. But if you look at the color grading, it is not as much as when it comes to the leverage that is used, than with short positions. So people that are shorting using way more leverage than the people that are longing Bitcoin right now. And I believe that comes from that there are a lot of traders right now, they're inconclusive in their TA when it comes to the direction where we are most likely going, because we're just ranging here all the time. And they cannot understand in which direction we're most likely going here. So either because they don't have tools like this, yeah, missing experience in this market to see a conclusive direction here. Something else that I just see here is that potential pennant that we are forming, and we are trying to break it right now to the upside. Oh, we are at 43,075. So here, like I said, the risky entry is getting closer. But like I said, be careful with that one. So we have here a potential pennant breakout. So in this pennant, this bull pennant has a technical target of, I think it's $49,000, $48,500. Remember, there was another pattern that I showed a couple of days ago. There was an alignment with that price target. Also here on the liquidation heat map, upside is again favored, at least to $43,500, because here are a lot of shorts liquidations sitting. There is, yeah, 160 million sitting here. We're not that far away, so it's possible that we are taking it out today. Something else that I want to talk about is also that we are still forming the Monday range. Remember, guys, so that's usually why you should not trade on a Monday, because prices are more volatile for forming the range for the rest of the week. And for now, the range is from 42,220 to where we are at right now at $43,100. So that is a $900 spread that can cause some havoc in the market if we are jumping up and down in that range. So, but we have to see the daily close today to see the full extent of the Monday range that we can then trade until we are breaking either to the downside or to the upside. So here on the daily chart, we are still respecting the EMA ribbon, which is good. Also, like I said the other time, I would like to see the EMA ribbon more expanding. That's the word I was looking for. More expanding, something like what we had here, just to see some strength in the price action. That is a little bit missing. So something else that I just see here is that we are above the 50 moving average. If we can close the daily candle above that, that would be also confirmation that we would see continuation to the upside. Here on the daily chart, you can say more or less that we have here a bull flag, something like this. And I'm sure the bull flag is in alignment with the $48,000 target. Yeah, $47,000 would be here this bull flag breakout if we are breaking above $43,300. But of course with a daily candle confirmed. Here was something else that I wanted to point out, guys. Yeah, here. It was also here on this 4-hourly chart, and then I'll let you guys go because you can see I'm still quite hungover a little bit. Yeah, because my vocabulary is horrible today. I wanted to show you guys the volume. We have here declining volume while we are consolidating here in that pennant. If we see volume increasing or a volume spike in green to the upside, that would confirm the breakout out of that bull pennant. We can of course also break out without a lot of volume, but it would be just a nice confirmation to get it, especially if you want to trade it, because you would just have more confidence than if you see something like this. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed me being hungover for once on one of my daily videos. So, and don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I see you maybe, if I'm not hungover, tomorrow.